Hello everyone, welcome to my Journal Knowledge class. In this video, I am going to discuss chapter 45 of your Journal Knowledge books, that is Fact File. Objective of this chapter is to know some interesting facts about the poles. Poles are fixed ends of the Earth's axis. There are two poles of the Earth's axis, that are North Pole and South Pole. Let us read some facts about the poles. The Arctic region is made up of parts of Russia, Greenland, Canada, USA, Norway, Iceland, Sweden and Finland. Students, Arctic region includes the area between 66.5 degree north, that is Arctic Circle, to 90 degree north, that is North Pole. And countries lying in Arctic region are Russia, Greenland, Canada, United States of America, Norway, Iceland, Sweden and Finland. Second, the name Arctic comes from a Greek word meaning near the bear. The word Arctic comes from the Greek word architokos, which means near the bear. The name refers to the prominent constellation the Great Bear in the north. Third, the coldest recorded temperature in the Arctic is around minus 68 degree Celsius or minus 90 degree Fahrenheit. The climate of Arctic region includes cold winters and cool summers. The coldest recorded temperature of Arctic region is minus 68 degrees Celsius or minus 90 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth point, animals that live in the North Pole include polar bears. There are animals which can adapt to the climate of Arctic region, which includes walrus, Arctic fox, snowy owl, Arctic hare, and polar bear is one of them. Fifth point, the South Pole is found in continent of Antarctica. Word continent means a huge land mass. Antarctic region lies between Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south, to South Pole, that is 90 degree south. There is only one continent located in Antarctic region, which is Antarctica, where South Pole is found. Sixth point, the name Antarctica comes from a Greek word meaning opposite to the north, which means the word Antarctica comes from Greek word which means opposite to the north region around the Earth's South Pole, that is opposite to Arctic region which is around the North Pole. Seventh point, Antarctica is bigger than Europe and almost double the size of Australia. Students, you know, Antarctica is the coldest, driest and the windiest continent. Antarctica is the fifth biggest continent nearly twice the size of Australia, and it is bigger than the continent of Europe. Eighth point, most of Antarctica is covered in ice over 1.6 kilometers thick. That is 1 mile. Students, about 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice, which is over 1.6 kilometers in thickness. Ninth point, Antarctica is considered a desert. Students, desert is a barren area where little rainfall occurs. There are two types of deserts: hot deserts and cold deserts. Antarctica is a cold desert as there has been no rainfall there for almost 2 million years. 10th point is the coldest recorded temperature on Earth occurred in 1983 at Vostok Station, Antarctica, measuring minus 89.2 degrees Celsius or minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest natural air temperature ever recorded on the Earth was minus 89.2 degrees Celsius or minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit at the Russian Vostok Station in Antarctica on 21st July 1983. Last point is animals that live in Antarctica include penguins and seals. Students, Antarctic sea life includes penguins, blue whales, seals, and orcas. With this, we have completed with Chapter 45, Fact File. It is your homework to reread this chapter 45.